Hi, this is Bisharut Taraddar from India Astrologer. In this video, I'm going to talk about career and finance astrology. So I'm going to talk about what exactly I see so far as when I give a reading for career and finance astrology. So far as career is concerned, I do see the Rashi chart and D10 chart. Rashi is the main chart and D10 is the divisional chart. Dasamsa chart we see for career. But we cannot alone depend on D10 chart for career. We have to see other charts as well, because so for example, if the D10 chart is weak, if a person doesn't have a good fortune in getting jobs and be successful, we have to see the business chart. For business chart, we do see Drakena or D3 chart is also seen along with D10 chart to see that what he can do some own business, a small enterprise, small time entrepreneurs can be seen from D3 chart as well along with D10 chart. If D10 chart is weak, we can see Chaturthamsa chart D4 and D16 chart. D4 is a chart for immovable properties and assets, and D16 is a chart for movable properties and assets. We have to see D4 and D16. D4 is for immovable property and D16 is for movable property and assets. So we have to see if for example, if the time in D10 chart is weak and it is a strong in D4 chart, he can have a property, he can earn from property fortune, or if he does speculation, that also he can earn. So we see the respective chart for that. And another very important chart which I see along with D10 chart is Hora chart or D2 chart. By seeing D10, D2, D4, D16 and D3, I can tell you with exact precision which are the months which would be powerful financially, which are the months which are difficult for career. If a person have a good fame but not money, that can be seen. If a person have a good money, not fame, that can be seen. In fact, everything about career can be seen by looking at D10, D3, D4, D16 and D2 chart. I repeat once again, D10 is Dasamsa chart, D3 is Drakena chart, D2 is Hora chart, D4 is Chaturthamsa chart, D16 is Shodashamsa chart. So by looking at all these charts, I can tell you with exact precision when the time would be good, when the time would be bad, how good is it, how bad is it, when it will be over. So everybody has the cancellation of their bad thing in their own chart only. For example, if somebody is suffering from property, somebody can have a very good fortune, liquid fortune. Somebody, if is suffering from career, he can have some property, he can have some property fortune. Something or other would be good in the chart. So based on whatever is good in the chart is highlighted during the reading. So if you come for a reading, if you can mention that you are looking for a career and finance astrology reading, we can go into depth so far as your D10, D2, D3, D4, D16 chart. So thank you and have a